Rain. 1. Do you like rainy days? Why? Yes, I do like rainy days. There's something calming and refreshing about the sound of rain and the cooler atmosphere it brings. It provides a great opportunity to relax indoors, enjoy a cozy atmosphere, and perhaps indulge in activities like reading or watching movies. 2. Does it rain much in your city? South Tangerang, Indonesia. Yes, in South Tangerang, Indonesia, it rains cats and dogs during the rainy season. Therefore people often carry umbrellas or raincoats on this season. 3. Would you like to live in a dry or wet place? I prefer living in the wet place where the rain falls regularly. This place have their unique charms. Living in this area can be refreshing and lush, with green landscapes and a pleasant atmosphere. 4. Would you change your plans if it rained? It depends on the plans and the intensity of the rain. If the rain is light and doesn't disrupt outdoor activities, I may choose to continue with my plans, perhaps with some adjustments. However, if the rain is heavy and makes it difficult or unsafe to carry out the planned activities, I would consider rescheduling or opting for indoor alternatives. Safety and practicality would be the primary considerations in such situations.